Hello friends, I am Samir Ghosh and you are watching my channel samir'sclass. In my previous video, I have explained the basic of Excel formatting, data validation, chart, graphs, etc. If you have want to see these videos, I have given the links in my description box from where you can watch these important videos. In this video, I will explain the formula how to advance the serial number automatically. I have three identical tables, table 1, table 2, table 3. If I delete two rows from here, you see in table 1 serial number automatically adjust, but in table 2 serial number miss. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 serial number in table 1, but in table 2 it is 1, 2, 3 and 6, 7, 8. Two numbers missing. Simply undo it. You see again the numbers adjust in table number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, I will put a formula in table 3 is equal to row and bracket close. Press enter. You see the serial number starts from 4. By dragging this formula to the entire column, you see the number increases from 4 to 11. But this is not the desired. Serial number starts from 1 and will increase so on. You see in table 3, first data starts from column number 4. Here it is column number 4. For this, I have to subtract this serial number from row formula. So, I will modify the formula here is equal to minus then row which one? Row is I3 is equal to row first bracket open first bracket close minus row of column I3 bracket close. You see serial number changes to 1. For I3, I will just log the number by pressing F4 button and press enter. Now, dragging this formula to the entire column, you see serial number changes from 1 to 8. Now, if I delete columns from here, delete column from here, you see the serial numbers automatically adjust in table 1 and table 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for table 1. Similarly, table 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I undo this one, you see that table number, serial number automatically adjust. Hope you can understand the formula. Please like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my new video notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.